Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng UST Growling Tigresses ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 77-73. Best player of the game si Bridget Santos sa likod ng kanyang 15 points at 5 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Adamson Lady Falcons ang DLSU Lady Archers 72-49. Best player of the game si Ellen Itang matapos humakot ng 19 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 19, 2024. NU Lady Bulldogs 8 wins 0 loss. UST Growling Tigresses 8 wins 1 loss. Adamson Lady Falcons 6 wins 3 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 4 wins 5 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. UP Fighting Maroons 3 wins 5 losses. FAU Lady Tamaraws 2 wins 6 losses. DLSU Lady Archers 2 wins 7 losses. UA Lady Warriors 1 wins 7 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 26, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maglalaban ng UA Lady Warriors at NU Lady Bulldogs alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang DLSU Lady Archers at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 12 ng tanghali. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.